So James has been cleaning up all these wires. He's pretty much got everything figured out, what he needs, what he doesn't need. There's pretty much all the shit that he's not using.
And around the corner.
And around the corner. Good Lord.
Out of this rat's nest.
So it's pretty much ready to go in. Here's the new motor. Here's the new wiring harness. It's pretty much ready to go. So he's been spending some time getting ready to drop this motor back in. Yep, there's the old motor. It's getting close. So basically where this thing stands is they shipped him everything back for the kit for the the new engine, but they did not have the motor mounts and the fan. So he got everything he needed except for those two pieces, and supposedly they're on back order, so we're not really sure when we're going to get those. Hopefully it'll be soon, but just wanted to give you guys a heads up. He's been working on getting the fuel system in, and then the wiring, and once he gets that stuff and then the other parts that we're missing, we can put the engine, the new motor, back in this thing. So I just wanted to give you guys a sneak peek at Terran's 68 International Travelette he just got last week. He'll be doing some work to it, and we'll definitely be keeping you guys updated on this thing. It's awesome. It's a monster. So just wanted to give you guys a heads up. Anyways, hope you guys are having a good day. Talk to you guys soon.